Have you ever spoken English correctly, but still felt like you sounded unnatural? Maybe your grammar was fine, but your English sounded too formal, too slow, or too much like a textbook. In today's lesson, you'll learn how to sound more natural and confident in English conversations, and we'll practice together step by step. Welcome back to the channel. Here, we improve spoken English through real speaking practice, confidence, and simple daily exercises. Today, you'll learn natural English phrases, how native speakers really talk, and at the end, we'll do a speaking practice session together. Many learners study grammar for years, but still sound unnatural when speaking. Why? Because native speakers usually use shorter sentences, simple expressions, relaxed speaking patterns. For example, instead of saying, "I am extremely tired today," many native speakers simply say, "I'm really tired." Natural English is often simple English. Instead of, "I do not understand," say, "I'm not sure I get it." Now, repeat after me. "I'm not sure I get it." Instead of, "I am very busy," say, "I've got a lot going on." Repeat after me. "I've got a lot going on." Instead of, "I am excited," say, "I'm looking forward to it." Repeat after me. "I'm looking forward to it." Instead of, "Please wait," say, "Hang on a second." Repeat after me. "Hang on a second." Instead of, "I am tired," say, "I'm exhausted." Repeat after me. "I'm exhausted." Now let's use these phrases in a real conversation. Listen carefully, then repeat after me. "Hey, how's it going?" "Pretty good. I've got a lot going on this week." "Same here." "Are you excited about the weekend?" "Definitely. I'm looking forward to it." "By the way, can you explain this to me again?" "Sure. Thanks. I'm not sure I get it yet." "No problem. Hang on a second. You look tired today." "Yeah, I'm exhausted." Now it's your turn. Answer these questions aloud using today's phrases. What are you looking forward to this week? Do you have a lot going on right now? When was the last time you felt exhausted? Is there something you don't fully get yet in English? Remember, sounding natural in English takes time and practice. The more you listen and repeat natural phrases, the more fluent and confident you become. Great job practicing today. If you enjoyed this lesson, like the video and subscribe to the channel.